Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We put about the limit and a approach to positive infinity. So we will have about the integration from number 1 to a, and we put the function goal here. On numerator we have number 1. So in this situation I will add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one divided by this one and s divided by s. So we will have about 1 over s minus 1 over s plus 1. And now we have the answer. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of 1 over s plus 1, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 1 to a. For this one, we have the negative side, so we have the formula in here. ln a minus ln b equals to ln of a divided by b. So for this one, we can write into ln of the absolute value of s over s plus 1. And now we have the answer. We put a cone here. Minus, we put number 1 cone here. So for this one, we divide both sides by 8. This one is about number 2. We have ln of number 1 over 2. So this one we have 1, this one we have 1. When a approaches to positive infinity, this one they will go to number 0, because 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. So in this situation, we have 1 over 1 plus 0 in here. So if we simplify, you got about number 1. ln number 1, you got about 0. And the final answer is about negative ln of 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.